So every time someone comes over, they want to come to the basement. And then when we come down there, they're scared. So I'm going to show you what all of them are scared. Rockstars, make sure to subscribe to help us get to 1,000 subscribers.
Today's shout out goes to Courtney Gray.
Morning, Rockstars. So they canceled school today because it's really cold out. So I think we're gonna do go to the gym or something today. So I'm really excited.
What's up, buddy? What?
I'm just drawing.
Drawing on your Magnadoodle? Macy's just sitting around watching iPad or YouTube.
It's a whole word.
McKinley, let's see your babies. Say good morning, Rockstars. Hey, take out your bank. Say good morning.
I just made a lowercase q. Different q that I used to make in school.
Cool, buddy.
So all you have to do is just make a down straight line, then a circle at the bottom, then go backwards.
So Maddox brought me this I love you thing today. He said it's I love you day. The school told him that. I think he's talking about Valentine's Day, but so he was saying today is I love you day, and he drew this, which he said is me and him. What's all these colors? What are these colors for?
Like Valentine's.
What are these squares? What do they represent?
I love you for people.
For what?
For people who love their children a lot.
Oh, okay. And then you put your name on it. Good job, buddy. Thanks.
You know what I did?
What?
So I did my name last when the teacher came to come pick us up from library.
From library?
Yep, I did it quick. That way I won't have to not miss my name.
Do you want to see Baby Posey? Yeah.
What happens when you're stuck inside from the deep freeze?
I'm hungry.
Snack time.
All day long. Give me a snack. Give me a snack. Give me a snack.
Go get some food. We're gonna show you what we're gonna choose for a snack.
Why do you always wear those same pajamas with the holes in the knee?
Because they're comfortable.
Oh my gosh. You guys have done pretty good actually, not wanting snacks until just now. You're like midway through the day almost.
I'm wearing a hot shirt right now.
He's wearing a costume.
Yeah.
And he's wearing these pajamas for 6 weeks. Or so, or a year.
What's up, Guardian of the Galaxy?
I just dressed up like this. I'll show you what we're getting for snack.
What you got? What are you eating for snack, bud?
Graham crackers.
Snack number 1, 2 graham crackers. That's sugar, not snacks. You can't eat sugar for a snack.
Oh, it's sugar?
Yep, eat that popcorn up there. Popcorn.
This is a huge bag.
Are you gonna comb your hair today or at all? No? Is this what you look like on every deep freeze snow day in school? Yes. Guess what? Got great news for you guys. No school tomorrow! Again!
Yes!
Alright guys, so we've been stuck in the house in this deep freeze for going on a day and a half, so now we're headed to the gym. or the Healthplex to get some swimming in.
Two hours later.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Here,
You eat ice cream every soda?
here, get that. Madison's super excited to get this Superman ice cream.
And
Is it good?
yeah, and different color cones.
Yep. So what's in there? What's in that ice cream?
Cookies.
Oh my gosh, look at your face. Let's look at McKinley. I love your pink cone. It's pretty. How's your ice cream? Is it good?
Many hours later.
Hey Rockstars! So I just got home from dance and I just got a new move tonight.
What is it?
It's a chasse aerial. So basically you probably are wondering, what is a chasse? Well, a chasse is like this. So let me take off my shoes. So you point your feet, chasse, and then this is like a, sometimes you can do different things with your chasse. You can like do chasse, and then and then the chasse aerial is just like a chasse, and then you go like this, and then aerial. Okay guys, so every time someone comes over, they want to come to the basement, and then when we come down there, they're scared, so I'm going to show you what all of them are scared of. So everyone is scared of this. This is what everyone is scared of. When they come down, they're like,
You want to stay down?
okay, I'm gonna go upstairs now.
So scared.
Everyone thinks it's so creepy. But I'm like, everyone is scared.
Everyone's scared of the Joker. No, like every one of her friends that come down here, and you know we have a trampoline down here, and they come down here and jump.
Oh, yeah.
They were so scared of that picture that I have. They've actually made me come down and turn it around so they wouldn't be afraid.
I can touch the ceiling. It's creepy down here.
All right.
I can work out.
Let's get you ready for bed.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.